In the next 2 minutes, I will teach you how to do some basic function in Excel. Okay, please uh, pause me if you think I'm so fast. So you practice also while watching this video. Pause it and get into Excel, and that's how you will learn. Unless you jump into water, you never learn swimming. Yeah, now I will teach you how to add data sets. Open your Excel. You know how to do it. Now start entering your data. Here in this example, I have taken 15 data sets. The first row I call it X. The last row is the 16th row. Therefore, I have only 15 data values. Pay attention to this. Okay? It's very important. First, finish entering your data. Once you start entering the data done, you must learn to sort data. Sorting is very important because finding median, mode, and all that stuff, if you have a sort, a particularly large data set, okay, sort function is on the right side. Once you finish sorting, your data gets sorted. You can see the largest number is 16, and then you can look for the middle number, everything. I'll show you that soon. Yes, now learn how to add numbers, like a sum function. You know, in Excel, always you start with equal sign and then highlight the rows where which you want to compute the number. For this data set is 76, or you can find the average directly. Similarly, you can do many other functions like median, mode, quartile, standard deviation, etc. Please practice this, then learn to interpret. Computing is one thing, understand the meaning is another thing. So please practice with a couple of examples. Hawk lets you copy data and paste it into Excel. Okay? Let me know if you don't understand. Talk to me again in person. Yes, this part is people will like it because computing variance and standard deviation is very hard. I wanted to learn by hand. Okay, I have given notes and other help, but Excel does it for you. You copy your data into a spreadsheet and see, watch me here. If you equals std dot s means standard deviation sample. Similarly, std dot p means population. So pause me if you don't understand. And then you see that's the standard deviation rounded to 2 decimal, 1.17, 4.17. And similarly, you can compute sample variance. It's variance dot s. See, Excel will complete a sentence if you start writing something. It will give you choices what functions are valid. That's how you learn in Excel, okay? So practice other functions like sample variance, population variance, coefficient of variation, etc.